Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 most common weeds that appear in winter and how to remove them from your lawn. Wintergrass, or Poa annua, is a low-growing grass. It has soft, drooping green leaves that grow in tufts, and it has a triangular shaped seed head. If you allow wintergrass to drop its seed, next winter it will be back, usually in twice as many numbers as it was the previous year. Wintergrass can be removed very easily by hand, as it doesn't have particularly deep roots and it doesn't have any runners, growing in simple clumps. Using a combination of a pre-emergent like oxifert and a selective wintergrass control like wintergrass killer at the correct time of year should ensure wintergrass is eradicated from your lawn. When you think of Bindii, you usually think about summer, but the best time to get on top of them is in winter before they get their prickly seed pod. Bindii can be removed by hand or with the use of a selective broadleaf herbicide such as Bindii or Lawn Solutions Australia's all-purpose weed control, both of which are fine to use on any lawn variety with the exception of the old-style ST varieties of buffalo. Creeping Oxalis is very similar in appearance to clover. The main difference between the two is Creeping Oxalis has heart-shaped leaves while clover has oval-shaped leaves. Creeping Oxalis, as the name suggests, quickly runs along the surface of the soil, producing roots from the leaf as it goes. Once again, a selective broadleaf herbicide is the best way to treat it. The best time to treat weeds in your lawn is during winter. By doing this, you will reduce the chance of them dropping seeds into your soil and reappearing again next year.